welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, we want to talk about salt. Basically, a lot of people do use salt in their cooking. Someone said to me the other day, Chef Ricardo, how the best way to resist salt? Anyway, I'm gonna simply say to you, for you to resist salt and you don't want to use salt, what you have to do is not buy salt, okay? I'm gonna come up with a program in a couple of months time from now, probably January. We're gonna start a program about salt and sugar. So guys, be aware about the salt and sugar. We're gonna want to teach how to cut back on salt and sugar. Most people, they use a lot of salt and a lot of sugar cook with, and I'm telling you, salt, a lot of people say, oh yes, the salt is good for you. Well, a lot of people do use a lot of salt and sugar, but the other about we want to talk about how to resist salt. How to resist salt is do not buy salt. For me, I'm telling you, I've been working for so long in the school, and in the school I don't use salt cook with. So I have a big idea about salt. Salt, I don't have to use salt for myself. I don't have to use salt. But in my show, sometimes I do use a little pinch of salt. But I'm saying for you to resist salt or have like certain kind of pressure or who's sick is not to buy salt, guys. Basically what I simply say to you, let's get to the point. We're gonna come up with a program of how to resist salt and sugar. It's gonna be starting in January with Chef Ricardo program. We're gonna start 1 month of show about salt and sugar. So guys, look forward for that. Thank you so much for all who support me and Black Friday this month, and it was amazing, guys. If you know that so many people brought the book, it is amazing. Thank you so much for your support, and hopefully we can do better in the future and better to come. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time and how to resist salt. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Christmas is coming up. We have the Christmas cake, rum fruit cake,